The process of cloth production involves several stages, starting from raw material cultivation to delivering the final product to the market. Here's a step-by-step breakdown. First, we have the cultivation of raw materials. For natural fibers, cotton is grown in fields, harvested, and cleaned to remove seeds. Wool is sheared from sheep, goats like cashmere, or alpacas. Silk is obtained from silkworm cocoons, and linen is made from flax plant fibers. Synthetic fibers, on the other hand, are made from petrochemicals, such as polyester, nylon, and acrylic, in chemical plants. Next is the processing of raw materials. For natural fibers, ginning separates the fibers from seeds in cotton production. Scouring removes impurities from wool and silk, while retting separates flax fibers from the stalk. For synthetic fibers, polymerization involves chemical processes to create fibers, followed by extrusion, where fibers are spun into threads. Then we move on to spinning, where fibers are drawn out and twisted into yarn or thread. This can be done through hand spinning, which is traditional, or machine spinning, which is industrial. After spinning, we have dyeing and finishing, which is optional. Yarns can be dyed at this stage or later in the process, and additional treatments like waterproofing, softening, or strengthening can be applied. The next step is weaving or knitting. Weaving involves interlacing yarns on a loom to create fabric, such as plain, twill, or satin weaves. Knitting, on the other hand, interloops yarns to create stretchable fabrics. Following that is fabric finishing, which includes bleaching to remove natural color or impurities, dyeing to impart desired colors to the fabric, and printing to add patterns or designs using techniques like screen printing or digital printing. Mechanical finishing processes like calendering, which smoothens the fabric, or brushing, which raises fibers for softness, are also included. Next, we have cutting and sewing, where fabric is cut into patterns for garments or other products. Sewing machines or hand stitching are used to assemble the pieces into final items. Quality control comes next, where finished products are inspected for defects, ensuring adherence to quality standards. Then we move on to packaging, where clothes or textiles are folded, labeled, and packaged for distribution. The distribution phase includes wholesale, where products are sold to retailers in bulk, retail, where they are displayed in stores or sold online, and export, where they are shipped internationally. Finally, marketing and sales involve advertising campaigns to promote the product, with products being sold in physical stores, on e-commerce platforms, or through direct channels.